tell us a little bit about this Italy trip that the Welsh women are going to be going on and how you've helped to fund that for them?
Okay. Well, it's just such a fantastic experience for them. Not only will they be going to a different country and experiencing a different culture, but also they'll be working together as a team, and it's just such a brilliant opportunity for them. These experiences are just the sort of things that they need really to lift them, to make them feel that they are international players. They need that experience. There's nothing like being away from home to really test you as a team and to give you fantastic life experiences. So yes, at least one a year. That's my recommendation.
I can't wait. I'm so excited. It's going to be really good. And I can't wait to go to Italy. It'll be a really good atmosphere with the girls.
How much are you looking forward to that trip and the tournament?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward because obviously I never used to travel away from home. I was really homesick and stuff, but I've come over that now, especially coming here, and I'm just looking forward to it. I've always wanted to go to Italy, and I support a few teams out there, so I think it'd be a really good opportunity to go out there.